Due to technical difficulties, we lost the first part of the video. The camera became disconnected. So, we'll just continue where I left off. I had cut off the existing plug from the wall wart, and then I prepped the wires to go into the coaxial connector. Center pin, or the inside part there, is this outer pin here. The common is the outer for this particular device I'm making this for. Let's see if I have any butane. Oh yeah, we got butane. Alright, we'll let that warm up. Now, we missed the part you missed was the struggle to change the battery in this meter and checking that indeed the polarity of the wires is red is positive, white is negative, or the return. And we can actually do that while the soldering iron is warming up. I'm going to put my black probe on what is the outer jacket here, and that's the inner. You can see it's 5.28 volts. Again, that's right in the sweet spot where I need to be. I need to be between 5 and 5.5 volts. And we're there. Oh, I should have brought some helping hands. Keep from scorching the bench. Oh well. We'll do that in a future video. Got some random solder here. And move up the frame a little bit better. There we go. Tin the tip a little bit. Flow a little solder onto my terminal there. There we go. Let it cool down before I roll it over. Alright, so let's see, how can we keep from... Oh no. Oh, I've made a fatal error. Oh, this is a newbie error. I forgot to put the sleeve on first. I haven't soldered that yet. So let me unsolder that. Oh, that is such a new mistake. Alright. Let's grab that. Alright. Okay, that's... Oh, that's not good. Alright. So, hurry. So yeah, once you wire the connector on there, it's kind of hard to put the strain relief on. I should pull the oh no, I think I'm running out of butane. Alright, so I've cleared the hole here. We're going to take this and bend that over so it helps it stay in place. Then I'm going to straighten this out again. There we go. And we're going to rest that through there like that. I'm going to fold it over like that. shall we try this again? Alright. A little solder on the tip. Alright, we'll do that. And we'll flip it over. And we'll do this side. Alright, smoking. Alright, we'll turn that down, turn that off. I thought there was a holster for this. Well, there we go. Alright. It's cooled down enough to handle now. Squeeze that there. Squeeze that into there. I'm sure there's a crimper that can do this, but I'm just doing this for home. Again, always important to put this piece on first, because once you do that, it's kind of hard to go back and put it back on. And there you have it. I now have the style plug on. Now, if you wanted to improve how this drain relief works, if you could squeeze some silicone down into this gap here, that would actually help solidify your connection a bit more. I'm a little concerned about this not being very long. I should have paid more attention to it, but I believe for my device this will actually work adequately. So let's turn this back on and we'll check our connections. And again, outer barrel will be negative, and this would be our positive in the center, and we're connected just perfectly. Alright, turn the meter off. The batteries last longer if you turn your meter off. Alright, so let's see if I plug this into the input and then hit power. Yes, it lights up. This is great. Alright, we're back in business. Well, thanks for watching. This has been the video that for repurposing this power supply I bought off of Amazon. This is one I reviewed earlier. That looked pretty good inside. The output was pretty good, and I was just using that disposable voltmeter, which threw me off. So we switched the oscilloscope to check the output, and it was a good looking output. So I now have a good power supply for my network interface for my network storage. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and until next time.